The Link Aadhaar service is available to all e-filing users, both registered and unregistered. You can link your Aadhaar with PAN, and also view your Link Aadhaar status on the e-filing homepage. The prerequisites for this service include valid PAN, Aadhaar number, a valid mobile number. This service can be used both pre-login and post-login. If you want to use it without logging in, click Link Aadhaar on the e-filing homepage. For post-login use, log in to the e-filing portal using your username and password. On your e-filing dashboard, click Link. Alternatively, the Link Aadhaar option can also be found under the My Profile menu. Enter the details as required for pre-login or post-login. It is mandatory to give consent by selecting I agree to validate my Aadhaar details. If you have only year of birth in your Aadhaar card, click I have only year of birth in Aadhaar card. Then, click Link Aadhaar. You will receive a 6-digit OTP on the mobile number you entered in the previous step. On the verification page, enter the mobile OTP and click Validate. If you are using this service post-login, no OTP is required to be provided. You have successfully linked your Aadhaar with PAN. In order to check the Aadhaar PAN linking status without logging in, click Link Aadhaar status on the e-filing homepage. Enter your PAN and Aadhaar number and click View Link Aadhaar status. Your Link Aadhaar status is displayed. To view the Aadhaar PAN linking status after login, you can either click Link Aadhaar status on the dashboard or click My Profile, Personal Details, Link Aadhaar status. Your Link Aadhaar status is displayed. Linking your Aadhaar with PAN is easy. Connect with us for more information.